everyone, it's Madam Shuki and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, just click that subscribe button and tap the notification bell to get you notified whenever I post a new video. So for today's video, this is the second episode of our Minecraft solo series, and as you can see, I already built my house. It's not good as you think, pero it's fine naman. It's my starter house and wala naman ang problema. So, ang nangyari dito sa server ko guys, ay sa work ko is, it's supposed to be solo, pero some of my friends accidentally join kasi nalimutan ko i-off yung multiplayer mode, pero okay naman. They helped me build the house and to gather some materials and minerals. As you can see, I'm already wearing full iron gear and nilipat ko rin, nag-build ako ng shed ng aking baby dog. So for today's video, let's lower the sounds kasi hindi ko masyadong maririnig to doon kapag nag-edit na ako. The music, siguro babaan natin mga 47, okay na yan. So, ayun. Ang bibili natin ngayon. Ito pa lang guys, itong parang mining area na to, entrance na to. Yung friend ko nagawa nito pero hindi siya tapos kasi nag-leave siya agad, pero okay na yan. Hindi ko na lang gagalawin, baka balikan pa niya. So, hanap tayo ng cave. Sorry, medyo malag yung guys, yung recording. Almost full storage na kasi ako. So, dito pala mayroong cave, hindi ko siya napansin. So, I don't have bucket, kaya no choice tayong hindi ako mag-dig down kasi oh my gosh, try ko kaya magpapatay. Let's see kung malakas ba ang damage. See, as you can see guys, may nag-join kasi nilipat ko yung spawn right there. Ayan. So, ayun guys. I don't think so kung babae siya or lalaki kasi followers ko lang sila guys. So, hindi ko kabisado kung babae ba sila or what. I forgot the water bucket. So, balikan natin. Mag-water bucket clutch tayo or siguro gawin na lang natin falls. As you can see, mayroong furnace dyan at saka yung crafting table kasi meron nga pong sumali, which is si basta his name is, I forgot his name. Let's grab this iron real quick and explore the cave. This cave is big as I thought, and here's more. What the fuck, cherries. Hindi tayo magmumuna for today's video, pero I already did it. Hindi ko maiwasan mag-English guys, hindi ko alam, so don't bash me kasi bigla-bigla na lang lumalabas sa bibig ko, tapos pag nagkakamali naman ko yung sinasabi ko. Pero ayan, let's mine this first, and saan pa yung isa? Proceed tayo. Saan yung nakita? Eto, ang upgrade, gano'n. Fast forward ko na lang, or maybe we then ano na lang, make this as what you call this, montage. So, ayun guys, okay na. And, pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung agenda ngayon is to mine some minerals. Actually, iron lang nakuha ko. So, minerals na din naman yun. Pero, so, siguro guys, dito ko na lang tatapusin ng ating episode 2. Update ko kayo sa mga susunod na episode. And, siguro magbibuild ako off-cam ng mga, ng ibang kailangan like farms, mob farms, XP farms. So, ayun, kita-kits sa next video. And, sana nagustuhan nyo tong episode na to. And, salamat sa panonood kahit medyo parang boring yung content ko ngayon. Pero, salamat sobra. Yun lang, ingat kayo lagi. Sayonara.